To locate a YouTube ID for use in media container, find the video on YouTube that you wished to embed in your video container. At the very top in the browser URL, everything after the watch $V equals is your YouTube ID. If you copy that, Control C is copy, and then go back to the content management system in your media container and Control V. Your YouTube ID is everything after the watch $V equal in the browser URL. That is how to find your YouTube ID.